Oh yeah, it's Davis. I wanna love, oh. Even if love is blind, I want to love, oh. Even if not scam, I don't tire for this love. Links, see as my heart they beat, he dey find connection. All my guys don't find their babe, me I still dey solo mission.
Hey friends, what's up? It's me, Elise. Welcome back to our channel. I hope you guys are all doing well. I really do, because when I tell you guys, these last 2 months have literally been all over the place for us, y'all. We had just moved, and I know it's been a long time since you guys seen us, but we're finally in our new place, and y'all, I gotta do a separate video on this, telling you guys what we've been through. It's been a whole bunch. It's been a complete mess, but for the most part we are doing well, and I'm back with a new video, and I know you guys noticed this color. I'm super excited to share with you guys. So this unit can be found on Amazon Prime. It does come from Unice. I will have all the links, details, and information located in the info section below. However, I picked up this gorgeous black cherry layered glueless lace frontal unit, and this is what it looks like. It's in that gorgeous black cherry color. It's like a deep burgundy, almost like a wine, and I love it. It's such a gorgeous color. So as usual, I like to just add a little bit of like foundation. In this case, I'm using some airbrush legs, and I'm applying that all over the lace, so therefore I can get a nice matching color to my lace, so it can blend in with my skin tone. I'm going to go ahead and get this unit on. Now, more information about this unit. My unit is 24 inches long. It has that 7x5 inch transparent lace. It is a bit light. You guys do keep that in mind. I will be taking care of that though. Now, this unit is glueless. I will be gluing this unit down just because I do plan on darkening the lace. So I just kind of want the unit to stay in place and not go anywhere. So I'm using a little bit lace glue, spraying that all over the lace just to kind of get that nice and adhered down. Now, again, this unit is 24 inches long, and my unit is 180% density. Now, if you do purchase this unit on Amazon, you do have a 5% off Amazon coupon, so be sure to apply that to save some cash on your purchase. Now, this unit is layered, so you do kind of have like that curtain bang effect, and I just love little curtain bang units. It just gives the unit some personality. You can curl it, and it just kind of gives it a nice natural layer. So I went ahead and I just kind of touched up the unit using my flat iron, and I do want some baby hair, so I went ahead and I pulled those out. Gonna cut those down and then get those nice and laid. Alright, you guys, so this is what this unit is looking like. Y'all notice that little slight bump I put on like that curtain bang area. Like, I was inspired by Aaliyah. Now, we all know that Aaliyah never wore her hair in the middle part. However, I just kind of want to bump it, just kind of give it like that Aaliyah look, and I love it. Now you guys can see how movable this hair is, y'all. This hair is so silky soft, and y'all, it hits like my hip area almost. 24 inches long. You guys see the layers. It looks super natural. Now I did place a little bit of my hair concealer just around the part to kind of give it like that grown out black root kind of look. And y'all know whenever I have colored units, I just kind of like to do that. It kind of makes it look a little more natural. Now you can wear this hair in a side part if you choose to. I just decided to leave it in the middle part just because it was kind of like giving something to me, so I left it that way. But you guys notice how silky soft this unit is and just how movable it is, y'all. The color is absolutely gorgeous, and I just cannot get enough of it. Once again, if y'all want to reposition a part, you have that ability. You have that 7 by 5 inch parting space, giving you guys more than enough space to get this unit parted in a curve part or a side part. Now with these layers, I did decide to pull out my curling wand, and I wanted to add some curls to this unit, and I kind of want to see how well this unit holds the curl. So I'm just using my curling wand, and I'm doing some beachy type of curls, beachy waves if you will. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that, and I'll see you guys once I'm done. Alright you guys, so y'all gonna have to let me know if you guys prefer this unit straight or in like this subtle beachy wavy look. Y'all, I think I'm leaning more towards this wavy look. I'm in love, y'all. Now if you guys do plan on putting curls in this unit, definitely use a holding spray if you guys want your curls to last all day. So once again, you guys can find this unit on Amazon Prime. It does come from Unice. I'll have all the details and links located in the info section below. Take advantage of the 5% off coupon on Amazon just in case you guys want to save some cash. Let me know what you guys think, and I'll talk to you guys on the next video. Bye guys.